How to use Instagram map feature. So this is a new feature that Instagram has rolled out to have location services on their Instagram app. So what you want to do first is make sure that you have the newest version of Instagram. Go ahead to the App Store and go ahead and type in Instagram and update the app if you so need to. I don't need to. So what we can do here is go out of here and go to your Instagram app. And then you're going to find this in your DMs. So go to your messages at the top right hand corner and you'll see the map feature at the top there. So from here, what you can do is just kind of zoom out and you're going to see locations that people want to share, basically what Snapchat does. And so what you can do is go through and see what people are posting, see what locations they're at, if it's restaurants, places nearby. So it's real easy to do. If you want to go ahead and share your location, you can go to the top right hand corner here where it says turn on location services, go in your settings and turn that on. But it's just another way to locate things, share a location with someone that you may need to, and that's it. That's how you would go about using your Instagram app. You can go ahead and search for friends here and go type them in just in case you want to share your location with them as well. And that's it.